Yeah, good day guys, this is Chibuzo Agowa and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can download videos from Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter and most social media profiles by simply using an app that comes pre-installed with your phone, which is known as the Mi Video app. This simply means that you must be using a Xiaomi phone before you can actually carry out this function, because the app comes pre-installed on Xiaomi phones, but I don't know if you can easily install it on any versions of Android phone. Before we proceed, if you're familiar with this channel, you know I'm using the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G phone, and I actually talked about an upgrade in one of my last video. And let's go and let me show you actually, yes, that the phone has actually been upgraded to MIUI 13 and it's running on the Android 12 version. As you can see, that is the version, that's the MIUI version, and the Android version, as you can see, is Android 12. So to show you that the upgrade is complete, so like I said, you must be using a Xiaomi phone before you can actually carry out this function. And let's look at the app I'm talking about. It's none else than the Mi Video app. This is the app I'm talking about, which you will use in downloading videos from most social media profiles simply without installing any third-party app from the Google Play Store. So having done that, now you've already know the app we're talking about. So now let us go straight down to business. The first thing you do is actually to tap on the app for it to load and open. It comes and adds. So this is the app I'm talking about.
What's up, everybody? My name is Chris Walker. I am the owner, founder, and CEO of Legit.com.
I have to close this.
Quick second and personally thank you for your recent business.
Close. Actually, the app always comes with video ads, as you can see. So now this is the app I'm talking about, and the first thing you will do once you load it, the app will load. So if you look at the bottom of your view, let me tap for you to see. You see a portion. So the next thing you will do is to tap on the download, and it will take you to a page where you see various social media profiles of yours. As you can see from the top, you see TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Dailymotion, Google, Snapchat, and Tumblr. You should have in mind that first of all, you have to be logged into the various social media profile. For instance, I've been logged into Facebook. I will be using Facebook in this tutorial video for you to see what I'm talking about. So any of the social media profile that you want to download videos, you have to tap. If it's TikTok, you have to tap on TikTok. If it's Instagram, you tap on Instagram. So I've been logged in on Facebook alone, so that I'll be using Facebook as an example in this tutorial video. The steps are all the same. So as you can see, I've tapped on Facebook and this is my Facebook timeline. So what we'll have to do, I'll have to scroll. Okay, there's a video and I believe it's a long video, so I don't really want to download this. I want to use a sample video for you to see. And the good news is that you can also use this to download Facebook stories, any videos that appears on Facebook stories from your friends, so you can see. It makes your work easier without installing any third party app. I'm actually scrolling to search for videos, so I think something like this will be perfect. So now this is a video, is a 3-minute video. So once I've gone to the stage of this video, as you can see, so now the next thing you do, you actually play the video.
Currently, with advances in technology, we have much more sophisticated technology.
And the download, you can see the
put
blue,
implants
let me
in
pause it for a while. The video is already on. So now this is the download icon. As you can see, the blue icon and have the arrow pointing down is universally used for download. So all I have to do is to tap on the icon, and it will like tell me what the quality of the video is. It a medium MP4 or whatsoever. So I'll just click on download and it will start downloading. As you can see, it's downloading. So this is a video that we actually download. Let me play it.
Basic surgery. I specialize in.
Okay, the download is complete, as you can see from the indication from the icon at the top, which says I actually downloaded 2 videos. I downloaded one video earlier on today before shooting this video. So we've downloaded one of those videos. So all I have to do now is to minimize, and let's go to my gallery and let's see if the video is actually the same. Okay, so this is a video. You can see
Currently, with advances in technology, we have much more sophisticated technology where we're able to put implants in through very minimally invasive surgery. I specialize in limb lengthening, and I make my
So you can see the video downloaded even as fast as possible, and we actually achieved this under seconds. So the same steps goes if you want to download Facebook stories. If you want to download Facebook stories, let me see if there's any video from my Facebook friends that are actually stories. So you can see the stories, but you can simply use the same step. Let me see if there's a video. Okay, this is actually a video. So all you have to do, the icon is actually telling me to view. Let me view it. Okay, these are the videos I've downloaded. You can see they are all on my phone already. So you can see how easy it is for you to download videos from various social media profiles such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Snapchat, and the like. So all you have to do, like I said, if you are using the Xiaomi phone, you can actually do this all by your own without downloading any third-party app. So if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you want another important video just like this, you can easily subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I release important videos. So Blogging for Tech, like I said, is the name of the channel. Is a technology related channel, and we dish out videos periodically that will help you in your daily need, all relating to technology. You can go to our video to our channel playlist and see so many important videos for you to watch and learn one or two things that will benefit you. So with that, we've come to the end of this video, and like I say from the start, Chibuzo Agua is my name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of the channel. Before you leave, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It will actually do you so much good, and so for people that actually need to learn one or two things from this video. So subscribe, and we'll see in my next video. Bye bye for now.